This right here is a $5,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. So I've gotten mine already and I'm already trading with it. Okay, so do well to go and get yours right now. There is withdrawal proof. Yes, there's withdrawal proof. The withdrawal proof just came in right now. Okay, so do well to go and get yours. I've updated my guys on Telegram. As you can see it right here, I'll be dropping the video very soon so that they can get ready. So these people will be one of the first people to get access to this particular bonus. Why? Because they are in my Telegram channel, so they will be the first to know when I drop videos. So if you want to be part of them, so all you have to do is to join my Telegram channel and be a part of this community. So how will you join my Telegram channel? So what you need to do is just go to the description below, click on the link that you find there, and it will direct you straight to my Telegram channel. Okay, so just join the channel so that you can get daily updates like this. So once you join the channel, just click on the link that you find there, then it's going to just take you straight to their website. Okay, 76% of you guys that watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Okay, so I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but if you know that you enjoy my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please take a second to just subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video, so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from this video. Okay, and also comment the country where you are watching from so that I can keep making more videos for your country. Okay, and share my videos to more people and turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates on Forex no deposit bonuses. Okay, so please do that right now. Okay,
all we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
So want to claim the free $5,000 prop firm account, and this is what the site looks like. You can see it right here. So we're going to be claiming the free 5k account. You can see the profit target for step 1 and step 2. You can see the max drawdown, the daily drawdown, and the reward split. So we're just going to click on free. So once you click on free, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you are to register. So you're going to be inputting your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your phone number, your country, your street number, your town and city. So after doing that, you agree to the terms and conditions. Then you can see this details about the 5k right here. You can see it. So if you're looking for the best online trader, you have to pass the free challenge and get funded with the 5k buying power. So you can see the profit target, which is 7%. For the 2-step account, we have the 7% and we have the 10%. Then for the drawdown, you can see it, we have the 7% max and the 3% daily. Then for the reward split, which is 50%, you can see the consistency rule, which is 3 trading days on step 2. Then you can also read all the rules. These are just like the terms and conditions that you need to follow. So you can see the rules right here, how to get the free challenge account. Okay, so you can see the split equally. You have to split it equally. So once you're done doing that, you click on pay now. So once you're done reading the terms and conditions, you click on pay now. It's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be imputing your verification code. Okay, it will be sent to your email. So you're just going to copy it and we're going to be pasting it right here. Okay, so we're just going to click on verify. So a message was sent to my email letting me know that my 5k account is waiting for me. So you can see it right here. Your 5k funded account is waiting for you. So welcome to Join X Free Challenge. You're officially live in stage 1 and your journey to becoming a funded trader starts now. So you can see the important notice right there. You can just go through it. These are the terms and conditions. After clicking on verify, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be seeing different prices right here. By challenge, you're going to be seeing the $59, $99. So all these ones we're going to pay. before we can get it, but we're not interested in all of this. Okay, we're going for the free 5k account. Okay, so we're just going to click on that 3 icon right there. You can see it up there. So we're going to click on dashboard, then we're going to click on trade. Once we do that, you can see our 5k prop firm. Yes, it's loading. So once you click on trade, it's just going to bring out our $5,000 prop firm account, which you can see right here. We've gotten it already, and I can use it to trade. Okay, I'm going to be trading with it. So it's still available. Go and claim yours right now. It's still very much available. So if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section, and also comment where you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. And please make sure you like this particular video. Make sure you like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.